Good morning, all. Very much. So, as the schedule of today, I am just teaching you uh, candlestick. Do you know about the trading? It's a business, and
Yes.
very important things in trading are. I'm just telling you. So, to start a business of a trading, we should have some knowledge about the trading. As the main points about trading is first risk management, second technical analysis, third fundamental analysis, and fourth candlesticks, fifth candlestick patterns, and also more. I'm just telling you candlesticks. So there are many types of candlestick in the trading. I just want to tell you two simple and also helpful candlestick in the trading. The first is simple one. It's called as we know very well that in the color. So one have color green and one have color red. And as many students know that green is profitable and red is in loss as well. So if just we talk about this, so we call it this part body, and this week about I'm telling about the bullish. It's called bullish and it's called bearish. So about the bullish, it's a high price and it's called low price. And suppose the bullish engulfing candle is mating, mean it's pink. So the price was here and it has been just now. Suppose it price was starting at 90 and stopped at 110, 110. So we are seeing that the difference of it it's called 20 rupees. So it's called body. Okay, and just the same option in the bearish candle it's called high price and it's called low price. And same as body. It's a change. It's a different that bullish and bearish. The bullish high price is 8 and the bearish high price is 8. Because the bearish candle is showing us that price is going down. Price is going at downside. And the bullish engulfing candle is showing us that price is going upside. Okay. And just in this area, have you any doubt? I just want to tell you one candle that's called hammer candle. There is a candle, it's called hammer. Its body size is too much small and its wick is too much big. Okay, it's called bullish. And next one, bearish. Also, it's same, but the difference is that its color is green and its color is red. Okay, the bullish engulfing bullish hammer candle is showing us the sellers is doing sellers is selling their prices. Sellers is selling their shares too much in a large amount. But the buyers are high on the sellers. Because we know the price was here 110 and down was 90. So the sellers mean sales their price mean sales their shares for down the market as well the price was here and the sellers sell their shares, then price was 90. But then after buyers buy their shares then price is stopped at 100. 100. So it's called hammer candle. And if we are saying in a chart, a hammer candle is being so in the downside, so we can see the price of the market which can be at the high price, and the same as we are seeing on the upside hammer candle, so we can see the price will become down quickly. It doesn't matter that what is the color of the hammer candle. Have you any doubts, we ask?
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Sir, as you took a name, share and market. So, would you please explain me what is share market?
Yeah, I just want to explain you. So share market is that one that our share market is going off of many companies. Many companies are included in share market, and the many person are earning the money due to share market, and also big option. Many people know about the share market, but only the name. They don't know about what's inside going on. That you listen the names as like share. Usually it's called stock market. Shares, buyers, and the sellers. Suppose there is a shop. As we are taking the company, we are taking the company UTL Limited. UTL private limited company has the shares. Suppose it 100 shares.
What shares?
Yeah, I'm just telling that we can suppose it that shares are a thing as like person. When UTL company have the 100%, and buyers will buy the those person. In approx one person has buy the 70 shares, and second person 10 shares, third person 20 shares. When the shares has enough, and just now suppose it company have no share, and the owner is someone, so that he will be not owner now. Who have the
Who has
big
purchased?
shares, he will be owner now of
Yes.
this company. Who have the big amount of the shares, he is the owner of that company. And as I told you that shares, if the owner will sell their shares, all the shares, so he can be destroyed from their company. And I will give you this example of the Apple company. We all know about the Apple company. So it was a news in approx 2010. So the owner of the Apple company sold their all the shares, but still he was the owner, and the share buyers think about this that if he have nothing, so why he is the owner of this company? So he have get out him from that company, and who have the biggest shares, he's the still now he's the owner of Apple company.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone more?
Hi, sir.
Have-
I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
That if we are trading, then we have to spend money, or without money we can trade.
It is impossible to trade without money, but firstly I will give you suggestion that firstly we should take the knowledge about the trading, otherwise we can lose our money, totally money. That as there are many types of trading, like stock market, forex market, crypto market.
Okay, sir. Then how much money we have to spend?
It doesn't matter according to profit. As you are thinking, suppose that I will
If we are
earn in
starting.
one day 1 lakh rupees. So you should invest approx 10 lakh or 1 crore rupees. Then you can earn 1 lakh per day.
Okay. If we are starting by one, we can start by 10 rupees
No,
or not.
it can't be because do you know about the charges? There are also many charges, broker charges. If you are using any broker as like Angel One, Zerodha, Grow, so there are many. These are the brokers. They are giving you shares, and they are taking you shares from you as like NSE, BSC, National Stock Change, and I forgot the full form of BSC. So
What is the work of BSC?
Mean these are the companies, as I told you, NSE, National Stock Exchange. Mean the this company NSE is exchanging your stocks. As suppose that you are a buyer, you want to sell your shares, so you will sell to NSE.
Okay, sir. This is last question. That if we are novice
Yeah.
in trading, then there is any specific benefit for novice or not?
There are no any benefit for novice. First of all, I just want to tell you, if you are novice and you are trying to trade, so you should not do that. As I'm also getting knowledge just now. I'm also trying to
Are
get
you
knowledge.
trading?
Yeah, I just trade with a little money, approx 10,000 and 5,000. So I'm just taking knowledge, and I have also losses many before time. Just I am earning now some money.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any more?
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Sir, suppose that I have a company and I have sold my 20% shares, and a person who take 20% shares. So who will the owner of his
So
company,
you will,
of this
as I
company?
told you, who have the more shares, as you have the 80% shares, so you are the owner. If suppose it you have sold your 80% shares, so who have purchased those 80% shares, he will be owner.
Okay.
Mean who have the large quantity of the shares, he will be owner of that company.
So you are saying that I'm doing work in share market.
Yeah.
So are you doing trading or are you purchasing any shares?
That as a, I just don't tell you that there are in the share market there are two types of traders. Mean first is trader and second is investor.
Yeah, investor.
That investor is those when they are purchasing or selling the shares. We can do short sale that we can earn money.
So are you doing short selling or?
I just don't do. I'm not an investor. I'm just a trader. I do trading in the intraday
Okay.
in the time 9:15 to 3:30.
So who give you what is the meaning of tips?
Tips for
Yeah.
trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, just I found this trading. I just don't know before time that what is trading. But my when I see the knowledge about, I took the knowledge about YouTube. And also, when I say to my father, my father said that there are many traders in our relationship. So I talked to them. They advised me something, and they are also trading just now, and they are earning a lot of money. And I just want to become a trader.
They are providing you like as which type of stocks you should sell or which type of stock you should.
No, they are not telling me.
What?
They just tell me advice that in the stock market we should earn as like we should invest firstly 1,000 or 2,000, and they told me you can't become a profitable trader with the money 1,000 2,000. You will lose surely, and I have also lost that money. But now I am
How much
earning.
money you have lost?
I have lost approx 2,000 or 3,000 rupees in the beginning. But now when I take knowledge slowly, just I am making money. Some. I have recovered my loss.
Okay.
I am just in profit
Very
now.
good.
Anyone more?
There is no. You want to ask?